Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be showing you all you need to know about smart contracts on the Ton blockchain. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Card built on the Binance Smart Chain. The contract address will be in the description right below. Thank you very much. Now let's get into today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all you need to know about smart contracts on the Ton blockchain. Now the Ton blockchain is one of the most flourishing blockchains in the cryptocurrency space right now, and a lot of activities, a lot of projects is coming up on the Ton blockchain. The Ton blockchain is literally taking over the Telegram space, and a lot of mini apps are coming up on Telegram. And also we've started seeing the rise of many meme coins on the Ton blockchain. And so it is important for you to understand what smart contract entails in the Ton blockchain. Now, every blockchain has programming languages that they use to write their smart contract. For example, Binance Smart Chain smart contracts are written with Solidity. For Solana, they are written with C or C++ languages. That is what the developers use to write their smart contract. But for Ton, it is a little bit different, and it's not the conventional type of language that people are well versed with that is being used to develop their smart contract. This is because of the peculiar solutions that they seek to bring into the world of cryptocurrency. And so the programming language that is used on Ton is FunC. We call it FunC. Now I'm going to take you to the Society of Ton. All right, Ton has a website that is called Ton Society. It's a society of Ton enthusiasts, and it's like a community website where Ton posts updates and things happening around the ecosystem. So we're just going to head over to Ton now, Ton Society. So just click on Chrome, open your Chrome browser on your device, and then type in Chrome Ton Society, Ton Society. All right, just type in Ton Society, and then it brings you right here. You can see that is the first thing that pops up on Google search bar. You can see Ton Society. So click on Ton Society. All right, you can see series of activities on the Ton Society. When you scroll down, you will see something like Ton blockchain course. You can see right here. This course is dedicated to development on Ton blockchain. So you can click on the course. You can see about 310 people are already taking this course being offered within the framework of the Ton Society, and it's going for free. And the idea of this course is to teach people how to write smart contracts on the Ton blockchain. This could even be an avenue for you to actually develop something. Maybe you have an innovation right there on your mind that you want to bring up in the Ton ecosystem. You can actually learn how to write smart contracts with this course that is free of charge on the Ton Society page, and actually learn to write a smart contract and develop your project. The likes of TapSwap, the like of Hamster Combat, the likes of Blom, and many other projects that are about to be launched on the Ton ecosystem, they were all written with this FunC. All right, they were written with FunC. Okay, so smart contracts are written with FunC on the Ton ecosystem. But for mini apps on Telegram, mini apps are majorly developed with JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. Right, so you can actually partake in this course So all you just have to do is to click on open the course and actually take the course. It will give you more enlightenment on how to actually navigate creating project and writing smart contracts on the Ton blockchain, right? And this is really a Kairos moment for the Ton ecosystem, as it's still at an infancy stage, and bringing up your solution at this time would be very early, and it will make you one of the early adopters of the Ton ecosystem, and it could really do great things with the Ton ecosystem. This is something I'd like you to really look into and make positive use of. I really hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions concerning writing smart contracts on the Ton blockchain, you can drop it in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer your question. Also, I would like you to like this video, subscribe, and turn on post notification bell for more educative content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.